Good afternoon, Professor. Sir, this is my personal timetable of this week. So last week for the AD project with IDC chip, I prepared the chip with antibody for the 1-40 amyloid beta testing of patient sample. For the AD project with IPD device, I had a meeting with Jacob and prepared some sample with another resonator and start the experimental process with Jacob. And for the PSC Neurin project, I participated with Dr. Sachin and juniors and checked the antigen capacitance measurement. So for the SARS-CoV-2 corona testing, I prepared the chemical process for the antigen for different concentration. And for the TA work, I given the score of Professor Semiconductor Device and Design class. So this week I am going to test 1-40 amyloid beta patient sample, and for the IPD I will have a meeting again with Jacob about the results and experimental processor. For the PSA, we will check the again antigen capacitance measurement. For the SARS-CoV project, I will preparing for the different concentration solution for the testing. So this is my paper writing plan. So I search some paper and we can submit our ED paper in advanced functional material as well as science advances. So this is our another corona testing procedure for the AFM and science advance I'm considering, so for this paper also. This is our graphene nanocomposite paper and another tau protein. I need some time for the searching of tau protein detection technologies for the Alzheimer patients. So this is our coronavirus testing experiments. I want to skip this process. So for this testing, this is our all the chemical processes, chemical recipe, and I optimize the data for this chemical processes, and I participated with the antibody emulsion on the chip. This is our process charts for the optimization of parameters, chemical parameters. So this picture I have taken by the microscope for the equal distribution of the graphene oxide on chip and as well as P3 chip with antibody. So this week I am going to do IEC bridge detection technology work with antigen dilutions. This is our stock solution I was preparing for the 10 to the power minus 6 concentration with the 1 microliter PBS solution, and I will dilute this solution to the 1.0 picogram per ml. This is having, I want to dilute the concentration for the sensitivity testing of this our IDC technology. This is our solid recombinant protein antigen, and I will be going to this process for a 6 time for the dilution of this PBS solution antigen. I will take 1 microliter from this one and dissolve in this one, and after the proper mixing I will take 1 microliter again and mix with this another one, and I will repeat this procedure until 10 to the power minus 12 concentration to make the final solution with 1.0 picogram per ml. For this procedure I will testing with different concentration with antibody to check the calibration curve of this antigen. So for the literature survey, I did some literature survey with EDC-IDC experiment. ED-IDC experiment. This is our one paper I found in AFM. Liquid crystal enables early stage detection of amyloid beta formation on lipid monolayers. Another with violet genes to cell immunohistochemical detection of delayed formation of nanofibrils large amyloid beta aggregates. Another one inside advance is complete aggregation pathway of amyloid beta 1 to 40 and 1 to 42 resolved on a atomically clean interfaces. So I got some good papers. I need some time to review this all the papers for the better implementation of this correlation work in our draft paper. So this is our Alzheimer disease IPD experiment. This is our resonator what we use in this experiment. This is our chemical process or process chart where we followed in this experiment with Chekhov. First step one, we did the chip washing with ethyl alcohol, and I did the graphene oxide immobilization on chip with 1 microliter concentration. Another step is EDC NHS immobilization on the chip, and then we given the timing of half an hour for the better immobilization of EDC NHS on the graphene oxide. So this is our another step with antibody immobilization on the EDC NHS. This is our center part, and we have taken here 1 microliter of chemical antibody for the immobilization. We have given 1 hour timing for the better immobilization. This is our sample testing procedure what we followed in Professor J.C. Lee lab with Chekhov. This is our samples, ED samples, and VNA machine to test the frequency. As we can see here, this is our VNA machine and this is our chip what we tested with the sample ED samples in this procedure. So we are analyzing some results, and Jacob will explain about the results of this experiment process. So for the TA work, I have submitted the semiconductor device and design, classes, marks, distribution. So for my paper, first of the paper, I have checked that I submitted advanced material technologies on 14 June. Still our paper is under consideration. So I checked that they have given if they rejected any paper, then they reject any paper in within 5 days, and they for the first revision they gave the paper in 25 days. They take the time 25 days for the first revision. For still our paper is in consideration in this journal. So I have also checked our paper what we submitted professor in Nature Communication in 16 June. This paper is also in consideration, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you.